Hi, tonight I'm going to make bacon cheese corn dog wraps. Look at these. Watch how I do it. Eyes up here, mister. We're at the store today looking for something good to eat, and I found these corn dog wraps. Did you ever hear of such a thing? From Pillsbury. Poppin fresh. Remember him? You want to do that? So we used to whack these on the table and they explode, but now I think it's more gentler for people, and you just peel it and it pops. But I got hot dogs and I thought this would be great with bacon and cheese. We can make 8 of them, so I'm going to make 8 different ones. I'm going to make a couple with bacon and cheese. And what did you want? You wanted just cheese on yours, right? Kathy wants 1 or 2, right? We can put pickles in the little pop-over, turn-over thing here. All right, let's get going. Let's see if we remember how to open these. Remember, you used to peel these and whack them against the counter, or sometimes they used to stick a spoon in them. And sometimes it's a fun surprise. There's an arrow there. Another arrow. What does it say? Press spoon at seam until can pops open. I don't need no stinking spoon. And it says to lay them out on a greased cookie sheet or baking sheet, but I'm going to use parchment paper in this toaster oven pan here. Look at this corn dog stuff. Nice. Alright, let's see if I remember how. My mom used to make these blueberry turnovers, they used to be called. You break it in half first, or what? What do? You break it in half like that? See it?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Oh, here we go. You gotta talk to it. Gonna finagle it. Oh, oh yeah. Squares. Then you make them into triangles. Or you can make them in the shape you want. You could roll the dough right up there and let it hang out in the end, right? Now, do we think we're going to have enough room for 8 of them here? If not, what do they smell like? Cornmeal. It smells good. Corn dog. Healthy corn dogs. You could do this in your air fryer, too. That's what I should have done, right? Should I get the air fryer out instead? I already got that preheated. Alright. Let's make a little room for assembling the first one, see how it's going to go. Regular size hot dogs. I'm not going to slit them. I usually do. We don't have much room here, do we?
No, I don't think it's a triangle.
Oh, I think it's a triangle. What do we think, everybody? Oh, maybe not. I messed up the picture. We like it better that way?
Mm-hmm.
First ever. Bacon, cheese, corn dog in my kitchen in the world. No triangle, huh?
You might have to stretch it a little.
Yeah, good thing you were here because I would have made them turnovers.
Nice. You did good. And
then it says pinch the seam.
Yeah. It's
going to be dripping out. Who's going to make these tonight? What do you think? This way?
It says seam side down, but
yeah.
I don't know. But you got to be gentle on that other side there.
They don't stretch very goodly. So I'm going to make 2 like that, bacon and cheese. Bacon and cheese. Oh, you just want cheese, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bacon and cheese.
But you pre-cooked the bacon.
Yes, the bacon is cooked. And I had a couple slices.
That's nice.
Seams on the bottom, pinch the seams. Are you with me so far? And this one will be better because it's going to have less ingredients. No bacon, just cheese. You could put sprinkled cheese on there. You like cheese whiz.
We could make them plain.
How are we going to remember bacon? Oh, because bacon's sticking at the end. Yeah, you can make them plain.
And then just dip them in ketchup
Mustard.
or mustard.
Yeah, let me do that right here. See? That's what I mean. I'm going to make a lot of different flavors here. It's like a hot dog party. Yes. What a great idea. We should stick sticks in the end, right? What else we want? You want to put a pickle in there? It might get too wet, right? Got pickles.
Yeah. I don't care. I just want another cheese.
Okay, another cheese. Well, it should go that way. It's longer. Where's my rolling pin? Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep them doggies rolling away. Five. What do you think? We'll make all 8? We're not gonna eat that many, are we?
Yeah, make them because we can reheat them.
Really?
And then all the dough will be used up.
Okay, here's just a bacon dog. Some don't like that. Are you coming over? Probably be gone by the time you get here, I'm sorry. What a great invention, though. Thanks, Pillsbury Doughboy.
This would be a fun project to make with a kid with you.
Yeah, when Colin comes over, or Joey. Plain?
Or put a pickle in one.
Oh, living on the edge.
Mm-hmm.
Stretch it out.
That's how we make the little cocktail weenies
Oh,
with the
yeah.
little pickle.
Oh, really? Pickle?
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember. I think it might get soggy. Ooh, one left. What are we gonna put on this one? Bacon. Bacon, baby. 2 hunks left. 1 hunk for me. Mmm. Why did I move over here? Nice. Got the Gasori toaster oven over there. Preheated to 375. It says 17 to 21 minutes. Or until nice and brown. There we go. I'm going to set it for 21. There we go. Let me get a fresh plate and set the table. Oh, there's still. You want one? You're going to have some, right?
Sure.
Okay. I'll show you this in 20 minutes. That's what they look like after 10 minutes. Oh, they look good. Okay, there's 4 minutes left, but look at them. They might be done good enough. Don't burn yourself. What do you think? Yeah, I think. Oh, yeah. See the cheese and bacon? Alright. Let me turn that off. Let me get my pot holders and move them to the table. Smell them? Look at these beautiful things. Do I need a tool? Like tongs maybe, since they're so hot? I gotta let them cool a little bit. They smell so good, like nice cornbread. Do you smell them over there?
Yeah, they smell great. They look great too.
I need my drink. You got your drink over there, right? Lovely. is which now? That's just bacon. That has a pickle. That's bacon and cheese. These are just cheese for you. Let me give you a plate so they can cool. Look at, see, put the seam on the bottom. It seals up nice.
That looks
It
great.
smells like such a nice bakery food. That's for you. Are you gonna dip them in anything?
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Now let it cool for a while. All right. See?
Thank you.
Oh, I gotta try the bacon cheese. Isn't that gonna be a nice bite?
That looks good.
And there's so many other different ones here. Plain, just cheese. Does that have anything in it? Just plain. You can dip that in mustard and ketchup. Pickle in that one. Let me try the one with the pickle and the bacon and cheese. Roar. And a frosted mug. I can't wait. We don't need no forks, right? This is finger food.
Oh, look, I like the way that cheese spread out there. Nice and melty. Beautiful.
Gonna take a bite. Oh, you took a bite. Is it too hot?
That's good.
Hot dog's done good.
Very nice.
Here goes mine. Bacon and cheese.
The Pillsbury corn dog wrap is really a winner. I like it because I always like corn dogs.
Yes, if you like corn dogs, these are like corn dogs. You don't have to put anything in them, but why not put cheese in them? You never seen a cheese corn dog at a fair or something, did you? Maybe they'll do that now. Maybe they have. Maybe. One more bite of the bacon cheese, then I'm going to try the cheese pickle. Doggy. I want to do it all. I want to dip this in mustard. You know? Or do this. I gotta go right for the mustard. Look at that. It's delicious. That's a real party. Pickle. Dip that in the mustard too.
Here's something I found on reference.com.
No.
Prepared mustard is made by grinding mustard seeds
Stop.
and combining the powdered, cracked or
Hey, tell it
bruised
to
form
stop.
of the seed with an
Echo,
acidic
stop.
liquid.
Always listening. I unplugged mine. Where was I? Oh yeah.
She gives us good information.
The pickle's good.
That looks nice.
This is so good. I like to sit here and eat all these for you, with you. I like the bacon sticking out of that one. You're not going to eat all these, right? So I can play with them.
Taste away.
Try this. It's delicious. Stop back soon. Please subscribe. I'm glad you stopped by to see this because it's so delicious. My favorite is bacon and cheese. Talk to you later.